see what Santa got him.
Devin?
Go see what Santa got you.
No, your Christmas tree.
Look at your Christmas
Devin,
tree.
where's your Christmas tree? What's that?
Spider-Man.
Santa brought you a Spider-Man bike?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
A pencil.
Huh?
A pencil like that. I don't know how to paddle.
Huh?
I don't know how to paddle.
You don't know how to paddle?
Yeah.
What do you think? Devin,
I don't know how to paddle.
what do you think?
No.
Are you happy?
Yes. I can't have.
We're going to go outside.
Later on. It's raining right now.
No.
Look, you have all your other gifts to open.
No, the light is the light.
It's raining.
No. See, it's not raining. See, it's not dog in here. That's broken. I can't paddle.
We'll play with it later, okay? Okay.